Tires feel good. You see missing. Yeah. Oh yeah, getting wet up there. That's not good. Feels okay. Got a nice TV. Oh, so 90s. TV, VCR, antenna, all sorts of crap. Okay. Microwave. What's this? Hood. Oh, generator. Okay. Generator had 105 hours on it. How many miles on this sucker? This guy has 61,000. Is there a stock number? I don't know. Cute. Oh, this is a good one. Holy moly. Yeah. Norcolds, they're worth oh, this is power center. Can shelf. More cans. Smart. Okay, he said there's a problem in the bathroom. Yeah, it's soft. It feels good all the way there, except for there. I can deal with that. Price is right, I can deal with that. Well put together. Cute. Oh, that's nice. You can't screw that up. Light in the shower. Skylight. Can't see the skylight. Shower. This is not bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. That's stuck, so that must be a magnet. Yeah. And here is TV. Closet space. Wow, this thing's well thought through, that's for sure. What do we got here? A couple of bottles of water. Alright, let's keep going. Check it out. What do we got? Lights, porch, ceiling, and step. Oh, it's got a electric step, maybe. Awning is junk, possibly. Hey, look at that. You can get a radio out here. Hold it. Nice. Ship to shore cable. Let's get that back in there. things are in okay shape. At least the door shuts. Tank. It's got a hitch. Alright, it's got ship to shore power, heater. It looks like water, a water fill. What's this? Compartment. What's this one? Ooh, generator. Okay, well, we have a generator. There we go. Cool.